day, my Rachel Antakibo. I am Judicime Piligaro from grade 11 STEM training. And for the brief narration of the process of making the animal cell, it was first a bit confusing because of the organelles, but later on I was able to do it. Overall, it was a fun experience. The materials I used to create these models were left over from previous projects. These are illustration board, poster colors, and construction paper. And the type of cell that was assigned to me was an animal cell. Now I show you the parts of the organelles and their function in this cell. This is the cell membrane, which serves two purposes. First, as a barrier that keeps cells' constituents and undesired substances out. And second, as a gate that allows needed nutrients to enter the cell and waste products to exit. And this is the cytoplasm. This is gel-like fluid inside the cell. It provides a platform upon which other organelles can operate within the cell. This is the nucleolus, a region found within the cell nucleus that is concerned with producing and assembling the cell's ribosomes. Next is the nucleus. It controls and regulates the activities of the cell. This thing surrounds the nucleus is what we call the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Its function is to produce proteins for the rest of the cells to function. And these black circles are what we call the ribosomes. Ribosomes can be found floating within the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Their main function is to convert genetic code into an amino acid sequence and to build protein polymers from amino acid monomers. And this peanut-shaped thingy is what we call the mitochondria. It generates most of the chemical energy needed to power the cell's biochemical reactions. And here is the vacuoles. They're generally small and help sequester waste products. A lysosome is what this thing called. Its function is to contain digestive enzymes. Lysosomes are involved with various cell processes. They break down excess or worn-out cells apart. They may be used to destroy invading viruses and bacteria. And this is the centrosome. Its function is to organize the microtubules and provide the structure to the cell. This red thin figure are the intermediate filament. They anchor the nucleus and position it within the cell. And they give the cell its elastic properties and its ability to withstand tension. And this is the microfilament, the green one, are used to give shape to the cell and support all of its internal parts. This is the microtubule. They provide the rigid, organized components of the cytoskeleton that give shape to many cells, and they are major components of the cilia and flagella, cellular locomotor projections. They participate in the formation of the spindle during cell division or mitosis. And this is the Golgi apparatus. It is a cell organelle that helps process and package proteins and lipid molecules, especially proteins destined to be exported from the cell. Lastly, the yellow circles around the Golgi apparatus are the Golgi vesicle. They are often referred to as the traffic police of the cell. They play a key role in sorting many of the cell's proteins and membrane constituents and in directing them to their proper destinations. And that's it for my video presentation. Thank you and have a good day. And remember, what's the challenge for today? Seize the day.